Now, at 5 months old, their young son is capable of taking care of himself, even if he may not know it yet. And the parents will now part ways for good. The season has ended at Olmec, and it is almost time to leave. The emperor stays a while longer with his little one. The dying winter throws one last storm their way, but the winds have lost their bite. For a penguin, this is napping weather. At only 5 years old, the emperor faces a long adulthood ahead. For his son, the immediate future is a bit clearer. The emperor's tale started a long time ago. His species has learned the secrets of survival in this impossible place. These last few moments together are precious ones, both father and son reluctant to part.